To send thousands of messages with your personal WhatsApp number on automation, then this video is for you, because I'm gonna show you that how and for free you can send thousands of messages on any WhatsApp number with your personal WhatsApp. So for this, I'm gonna make use of this tool called Late Note, and basically this is the workflow that I have created, and you can also use this workflow. Inside this workflow, I'm going to show you that how this workflow works. So I have connected one of my personal WhatsApp number, so I can show you in the authorization part. If you go, then you can see that I've connected this personal WhatsApp number, and if I just open the WhatsApp, then this is the WhatsApp that have been connected. And now if I go back into the scenarios again, and if I just open this one, now first I'm going to show you that how this works. So for this part, in the second note, I've entered the phone numbers on which I want to do the experiment. So what you need to do is just write down the numbers and then separate it with the comma, and after that whatever message you want to send, for example, like hello, this message has been sent from Late Note, so let's change this, has been sent message from Late Note, I hope you received it. So this is what I have done. I have written on the message. Now you just need to click on save. Once this will get saved, after that what you need to do, you just need to run this node, this complete workflow. So click on run once, and right now you can see that like there is no message has been sent to the number that I have specified. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on Rohan once and then run once, sorry. So now you will see that like this is working, and a message has been sent to all the recipients that we have mentioned. And over here you can see, so over here if I just scroll down, hello, this message has been sent from Late Note, I hope you received it. At the same time, because I'm using my mom's number right now, that is why you are seeing this. So hello, this message has been sent from Late Note, I hope you received it, right? So this way the message will be sent on automation with your personal WhatsApp number, and you do not need to buy any WhatsApp API or any business WhatsApp, right? But now how this works, let's talk about that. For that part, the first step that you have to do is you just need to go on authorization, and then you need to connect your personal WhatsApp number. So you need to click on new authorization, and in the new authorization part you just need to search WhatsApp, and then over here you will get two options, WhatsApp business clone and WhatsApp personal account. So if you click on WhatsApp personal account, then it will ask you for 10 plug and play tokens. Now the best part about this tool is that this tool gives you a 30 days free trial, but the problem with this tool is that if it gives you 30 days free trial, but it does not give you plug and play tokens, so you need to purchase that, and one plug and play token will cost you $1. So over here, if you have to connect your WhatsApp personal account, then you need at least 10 plug and play tokens, which means that you have to spend $10. But the best part is that by spending just $10, you can send as many messages as you want, and there is no limitation. So if you have 10,000 user database, 20,000 user database, you can send as many messages as you want with the help of this tool, right? So you just need to click on this, and then you need to buy this by visiting the billing section, and from here you can specify how many plug and play tokens you need to buy. Let's say I want to buy 10, so you just click on 10, and then you will be able to buy $10 10 tokens for the price of $10, as one token cost $1. After that, once you have your plug and play tokens with you, after that you just click on yes, and then it will ask you to scan a QR code, so that like it will have the access to your WhatsApp number. That's it. It's a pretty simple task. Once this is connected, then you need to go back into the template section, and then you need to search for WhatsApp bulk messaging from personal account. You can use this workflow. This is an by default created workflow inside this tool. So click on just clone, and after clicking on clone, your workflow will look something like this, where you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 steps inside it, and you don't need to create one. Now in order to set this up, you just need to play with the second node over here. So just click on it. In the phone number sections, type down the numbers on which you want to send the message. For example, like let's say I'm again doing this experiment 162, and then like this. After that, whatever message you want to send, let's say I want to send hi there, how are you doing, right? And then let's say I want to bold something. Is this showing you in bold? And then let's say I want to add a link as well. Can you visit this website, like this. Now just click on save. You don't need to add any country extension code, this will work out automatically. After clicking on save, don't forget to connect your WhatsApp number now. So in the last node, just click on it and then connect your WhatsApp number. Since I've already given the authorization of my personal WhatsApp number, so I just have to click on choose, and then I can use the one that is already there in my account, right? And then after adding it, click on just save. So now I'll just click on save. Now this has been saved. Now in the second last node, it asks you that like, do you want to put a delay in sending the messages between like to different participants? So this is a very good activity, because WhatsApp does not like if you're sending the same message to everyone in just one go, because WhatsApp will anyhow detect it. But when you put a delay, then it become hard or impossible for WhatsApp to detect that you are using some kind of automation on your personal WhatsApp number. So you can put a delay of seconds, minutes, hours, days, that you decide. But right now I want to run the automation immediately, that is why I'm just switching it off, and then I'm just gonna click on save. Now all the settings have been done, and now what we are gonna do, we are gonna test this automation. So just click on run once, and now this automation will start working. As you can see, one now over here, one. Okay, I'm getting this error because I also have one other automation setup. So one WhatsApp number cannot work on two different automations, so you need to go back into your scenarios, and then let's say I WhatsApp bookmarks from personal account, so I need to switch one of them. So let's say I just delete this one, the previous one that I have, so that now I can have only one automation working. And now again I'm gonna run this automation. So click on run once, and now we will see that this automation will be able to work. Okay, so this again gives me an error. Let's just connect this one again. So change. Okay, so let's just do one thing. So let's go back on scenarios, let's delete this one, and we will make the changes again. So we will go to templates again, and then we will choose the one WhatsApp bulk messaging from personal account, click on clone. Now the automation has been set up again. Now the next step that we are gonna do is like, we are gonna repeat the same steps that we have performed earlier. So I'm gonna just give down the name, numbers, is this in bold, visit the website, that's it. Click on save. Then after that, remove the delay, because we don't want to put a delay right now. Then again click on save, and then in the last step we have to connect our WhatsApp number. So click on choose, and then use the one that we already have, and now again click on save. So now this has been saved again, and now we are gonna run this automation. So first step has been done, first step is done, first step has been done, first step has been done, and you can see that over here we have two, because we had a list of two numbers over here, right? And now I'll show you again. This message has been sent, and we can see that the message over here is hello. Is this in bold? That means that you can add the designing factor just like it works on your WhatsApp, and then visit the website, and it also gives the link of website. So this is how this automation works for free, and you can send as many messages as you want to. But the main thing over here is that don't forget to put a delay, because when you are sending, let's say, 500 messages in a single day, and then if you're not putting a delay in between the messages, then it will be a big problem. The reason is that like Meta will able to identify that like there is something activity going on, some phishing activities going on, or some abnormal activities going on, and that what Meta does not like. So Meta can put you in bars, right? So that is why it's always recommended to put a delay of some seconds between the next message will get sent it out. So I hope you like the video. If you have liked it, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.